Hey there and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make something I am super excited about. One of my favorite specialties from the UK is a Scotch egg. You know, a hard-boiled egg that's been wrapped in sausage and deep fried. Well, I want to take that, I'm gonna turn it into a meatloaf. I actually found a recipe for Scotch egg meatloaf that I'm gonna make today, and I cannot wait to taste it. You have to start by boiling some eggs. I'm gonna start with 2 pounds of hot sausage with some garlic powder, some minced up onion, and some Panko crumbs. And mix it all by hand. Smash it. I'm gonna take some breadcrumbs and sprinkle them on the bottom of a prepared bread pan. And half of that sausage. I'm gonna spread that on the bottom and form a little well down the middle. I'm gonna roll those hard-boiled eggs in flour, and I'm gonna place them evenly inside of that well. Like this. Put the rest of that sausage on top. I'm gonna press it on there and to avoid any air pockets around the eggs. Sprinkle more breadcrumbs on the top. I'm gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for about an hour. Okay, it's out of the oven. Now I'm just gonna let it cool and work on a special sauce. Start with some mustard, a little honey, splash of Worcestershire, and a little creamer. Mix that up. All right, it's cooked, and I took it out of the pan and I put it on a plate, and I'm ready to cut it and look inside. Scotch egg meatloaf. Take a look in here. There you go, Scotch egg meatloaf. I'm ready to dig in. I ended up slicing it and cooking it a tiny bit longer. Now I'm gonna add my sauce. Cover that Scotch egg in goodness. It looks absolutely scrumptious. I've got to taste this Scotch egg meatloaf. Get some egg with my bite, the meatloaf, and a little sauce. It's wonderful. That hot pepper sausage is a tiny bit spicy, but love it so much with that egg and that sauce. Phenomenal. This is a really good dish. I love eating good foods. You know what? You can try good foods too. Well, thank you so much for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. If you want to see more good foods, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye. How does a monster like his eggs? Terra-fried.